how to make only specific friends can see your college informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only specific friends can see your college informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down. Here you will find settings, notification, profile information, and here just click on your college this pin here and click here, and now just select specific friends and select them and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.